Okay, Intermatic dual timer with freeze. We'll show you how to wire it up. Okay, on this timer, this is the main power coming in from the breaker box or the house. Breaker box on the other side of that wall. And then we'll come up through this conduit here, and you can see the two hot wires. Most of these are wired 220, so you're going to have two wires that are hot and then a ground wire. So this one has three wires, red, blue, and green. And then on this timer, we're going to wire the two hot here, 120 on each one. So this is your two legs of your 240 volt, and the ground will go down here to this ground lug. From there, show you here real quick. The timer on the left is the swimming pool main pump, and the timer. Okay, once you remove the protective caps, coverings, remove the protective coverings. The timer on the left is for the pool main pump. The timer on the right is for the cleaner. Lug number 2 and 4 is power in. Number 3 and 5 is power out. So when you connect your pump to it, you're going to connect a wire here, and this other blue wire would come up and connect right here. That's going to power the main pump. And over here, power coming in. Now these two lines are only hot when this switch is on, so this will run your booster pump. So number 3 and number 5 go back out to the booster pump. So you'll hear the main pump come on, and then the booster pump will come on with this one. That's it.